Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you my back to school, like what's in my backpack haul. I'm so excited. I'm just crossing my fingers that we are still going back to school because right now it's, oh, I need to get my parking thing today. Right now it's August 5th and I'm pretty sure we're still going back to school, so hopefully I didn't like buy all this stuff for nothing, which I guess either way I would still use it. I am so excited. These past 6 months just being like cramped at home, I'm so ready to like go back to my dorm, just like live my college life, you know? So I have my backpack here. I'm so sorry about this lighting here, like I don't know what to do about it. Okay, anyways, so I have my backpack right here and it is literally so full. Like I don't think I could fit anything else in here. Hopefully I'm able to use all this stuff and actually go back to campus and everything. Obviously we're all required to wear masks, and like especially like in classes in the buildings. I think we're even supposed to wear like when we're walking outside. Either way, we're hopefully all gonna be safe. I already have 3 classes online, so I'm technically only going to 1 class in person. The rest are like virtual meetings at that class period online. It's going to be interesting, but I'm sure you guys will see lots of vlogs about it and me talking about it a lot, and other YouTubers of course. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. If you like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. All my social media, it will all be linked in the description bar, and let's go ahead and get started with this back to school haul.
Before you educate the head, try to educate the heart.
Okay, so starting off, this bag is from Mizuno and it's just red and black because I've had this since high school. These were my school colors and my parents got this for me, which I love this backpack. I've obviously had it for a long time. It's just worked really well for me and I didn't feel the need to go out and get a new one. I might eventually, like next year or something, but right now it's working fine for me. So I guess I'll just start off with the front compartment. So right up here it has a small little zipper. And the first thing that I see is my masks, which are very important. So I have 2 here. I have one of the just easy disposable masks because I feel like those are a lot easier to breathe in, and especially if I'm wearing it all throughout the class time, I would probably want to have that one rather than a cloth one. But then I do have my other one here if I run out of the disposable ones. I think I'm gonna get a couple more of those. So I have this one, and then I also know that we are getting them at school. They're giving us a school branded one, and yeah, I'm not sure if it's gonna be like super breathable or if it's gonna be cotton as well. I guess we will find out when I get it. Okay, so the second thing that I have in here is just some Sharpies. I always tend to need Sharpies in my science classes, although I don't have a science class this semester. I feel like I might still need them like for English or something, and yeah, they just come in handy when taking notes, doing all kinds of things like that. So next I just have, of course, pencils. I always get these. These are the Bic pencil, mechanical pencil, and they're the sparkly ones, and I don't know, I just really like how smooth the eraser is. I know that's super weird thing to like about a pencil, but yeah, so this is just a 10 pack of these, and these will honestly probably last me the whole school year because I don't really lose them very often. So next I just have a pack of black pens. So there's 2 here. These are from Sharpie and they're the S Gel black ink, and I've never used this kind before. I used to use, I feel like it was Bic, but I don't know, but it would always like skip, like it wouldn't write clearly, so I thought I would test these out and see if they work any better. Always good to have black pens. I feel like you always use them in every single class, or just when taking notes in general. I honestly probably use pens more than use pencils. Next I have a pack of Sharpie highlighters, and these also are important. I'm so sorry about the lighting, by the way, it keeps going dark and light. These are always really important, again, with taking notes. I also do have an English class, which I feel like these will come in handy as well, like highlighting essays, like things I need to fix, stuff like that. And then lastly, in this pocket I have something very, very important, which are antibacterial wipes. I have a whole bunch of them in here, and I used these last year too, even before the whole virus started, because you know, there's germs everywhere. So these are just one-time use, you just throw them away after. And these will be nice for like wiping down surfaces, wiping down my desk, my chair. I know it sounds super extra, but like, you're at a college, especially where there's like a bunch of people coming in and out of classrooms and you don't really know who's been there. So that's what I have in the top compartment. Okay, so then I have another compartment down here, which I'm going to open up. Okay, so the biggest thing that I have in here is probably this little packet right here. In here it's just a pink little pouch holder thing. First off, I just have a bunch of different like self-care products and just like things I might need throughout my day. The first thing that I have is just lotion in case my hands are dry. It tends to happen a lot in the winter when it is colder out and your hands are more dry. Second thing I have is of course chapstick. This is from Carmex, and chapstick is like so important to me. I literally have to have it on like all the time. Next thing is very important again. This is hand sanitizer. Obviously I use this all the time, like before this whole thing started, but of course very important now to have. It's just like a drugstore brand. It's nothing too special. So I have a pack of tissues. You never know when you're gonna need those. And then I also have a thing of deodorant in here. In case I ever forget to put on deodorant, I always have it in my bag just in case. This is just a mini deodorant from Secret. Next I have just a couple hair ties. I don't know, sometimes I like put my hair down. I think I'm gonna leave my hair down all day and then it gets frizzy or like all weird and it starts raining or something and you need a hair tie to put your hair up, or someone else needs a hair tie too. So that is it for in here. Okay, so next in this compartment there is like a smaller one in here, and then just like the first couple things I have in here are just some post-it notes, and then I just have like the mini ones. I use these if I like want to save a page in my notebook or something. I will most likely probably use these more on my desk in my room just to like remember things, or on my calendar or something. But they are nice to have in your bag too. Next thing is so important for me, especially with my like healthcare classes and my science classes, which are index cards. So this helps to like study. You can put like a word on the front and then the definition on the back, just to like memorize or study for certain things, or to draw pictures, like stuff like that. Just small things that you can help study for. Yeah, really helpful for studying and just like memorizing things that you need to know for a test or something. Okay, so now I'm moving into the smaller compartment in here, which just has a bunch of different supplies. So the first thing that I see is just this whiteout, which these things are a little bit fidgety. I think this one is like, oh no, it looks like it's still good, but if you break these things, there's no going back. Let's just say that. Just in case I make a mistake on my notes or something. I'm like very particular about that. I don't like scribbling things out. I like my notes to all look neat and clean and nothing messed up. So, all right, and then the last thing is of course a calculator, which I don't, actually I do have statistics this semester, so I might be using this. I don't really know. I haven't ever taken statistics. It doesn't do graphing or anything, but it does have like sine and cosine and that kind of stuff. And that's it for the front section. So there are all kinds of things in here, so let's just go ahead and go through them. The first thing is just like my essentials for every school year. So the first thing is just this 5-star 5-subject college rule notebook. So it does have the folders in here, so if you ever get like any papers for a class, I can just put them in there. And I only have 4 classes, so this should be fine for all of my classes. And I have art for one of them, so I feel like I won't use this for art class, but I don't know, we could be learning like actual content instead of like drawing and stuff. I just have a couple folders again for extra papers for classes, and then I have of course a binder. I will most likely probably use this for my Spanish class because I'm sure we will get a lot of different paper. Actually, that's a lot. It's all online. Okay, well, I might have to print out stuff. You never know. Okay, and then another thing that I have in here is all of these. So I am so excited about these. I love to color code my notes. Usually I would use this for like my science classes, but again, I don't have any science classes this semester, so I might just use these for like Spanish if I have to take notes or something. I also am using these for something else I will show you in a second. Okay, so the next thing I have is of course my laptop. This is, I literally use this in like every class. I will be using this a lot for online school too. And this is the MacBook Pro 13-inch. And I think this is the newest version because it does have the touch bar on here. All right, the next thing that I see is my planner, which is so important for me to keep track of all of my due dates and everything. I also do have a calendar up on, like a whiteboard calendar put up in my dorm too, which helps me keep track of like tests and everything and due dates as well. But I do really like this one because first of all, blue is my favorite color, so I love the cover. And then something that is essential for me is having all of these on the side so I can just flip to whatever month I want. And one thing I thought was really cool, of course, it has the monthly overview, and then it has each day of the week laid out here, and then it also has a note section and to-do section. So this will be super nice for me to check things off of my list and know what I specifically have to do on each day, which will be super helpful. I told myself I wasn't going to procrastinate at all this year and like stay super on top of things, especially because online classes are really hard to like motivate yourself to do sometimes. And I told myself I was going to be on track for everything, like not procrastinate at all. All right, so the last thing I'm the most excited for, literally, like I'm getting chills right now because I'm so excited. I just got this yesterday. Okay, so this is my first ever bullet journal, which first of all, the cover is so cute, so colorful. I love it. And there's also like a thing where you can put your pencil here, which I think is super cute as well. But I don't want to show you guys too much because I kind of want to do a video all about my bullet journal, and I don't know, I'm just like so excited. I know it's like late for me to start because normally people start them at the beginning of the year, but I kind of want to do it as like my school year bullet journal and keeping track of my YouTube videos and stuff all throughout the school year because I know that that's gonna be really tough for me. But I want to do it, like I want to stay on track. Like I just said, I don't want to procrastinate stuff. I want to like stick to my goals and everything. So I'll show you the first page because, or a couple pages. This is the first page, so I just have bullet journal 2020 and 2021. Of course, did all the calendars like everyone does. I feel like I've seen everyone do that. This one I think is so cute. It is like my YouTube subscriber goals. So I have 1,000 here, and then I just have it all throughout here. I have 2,000, and then I put like the cherry on top would be like getting to like 2,500. Birthdays, yearly goals, and then this is my August one right here, which I think turned out really cute. And then what else do I have? Oh my gosh, I just want to show you all of this, but I can't. I'm gonna do a video on it. So this is my habit tracker here. So I have like floss, workout, water, like drinking enough water a day, eating healthy, cleaning everything, and then uploading on YouTube. So I'm really excited for that, keeping track of my goals, like just like my whole life put into that. I think that is so cool. That is it for the inside compartment, the big compartment. And then on the sides here, I just have my water bottle, which keeps my water cold literally all day. Like I don't have to worry about that. Okay, and then on the other side, I just have an Apple charger in here, or phone charger. That is pretty much it for this video. I had a lot of fun going out and getting all my school supplies. I'm literally so excited for this bullet journal. Be sure to be on the lookout for this video because I'm definitely going to do one of those. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Turn on my post notification bell so you can be notified every single time that I post a new video. Honestly might like start posting 2 times a week. Don't quote me on that, but I just have a lot of different videos coming up, and ever since I got this, I just have so much motivation, which I know was literally just yesterday. But I don't know, I just have a lot of motivation, and I'm excited to see where my channel can go throughout the year. I think that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.